remember the moment I saw the notification, you just made a sale. No audience, no paid ads, no showing my face. I was completely faceless using an AI influencer, and I still made my first digital product sale. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do it too, even if you don't wanna be on camera. Before we jump in, make sure you like this video and subscribe because I share beginner-friendly strategies like this all the time. Let's get into it.
Step 1, I didn't start with the product. I started with the problem. Here's where most beginners mess up. They try to create a product before knowing who it's for. I did the opposite. First, I chose a niche I was actually interested in, something I could see myself working in long term. This is important because if you choose a niche just for money, you'll get bored fast and quit. Once I chose my niche, I went deeper and asked one simple question. What is a problem people in this niche are constantly struggling with? And that's when it clicked. I didn't try to be original. I didn't try to reinvent the wheel. I created a simple digital product that solved one clear problem. That's it. Step 2, I created my product using Canva, nothing fancy. Once I knew the problem, I created my digital product using Canva. No expensive software, no design experience, just a clean, simple product that helps someone get a result faster. I priced it at $27, low enough for beginners to say yes, but valuable enough to feel worth it. Step 3, I used the free platform to sell it. At this point, I didn't want to spend any money, so instead of Shopify or a website, I used beacons.ai, which is completely free to start. I uploaded my product, added a title, description, price, and just like that, my product was ready to sell. No tech overwhelm. Step 4, I created brand new social media accounts. Next, I created a TikTok account, an Instagram account, both brand new. I set them up to look clean and professional and made it very clear who the page was for, what problem I was helping solve. So when someone landed on my profile, they instantly knew what my content was about. I added my store link to my Instagram bio, and for TikTok, since you need 1,000 followers for a link, I worked around it by directing people to Instagram. Step 5, this is what actually got me my first sale. This part is important. I posted 1 to 2 videos per day, every single day. Not trending dances, not viral sounds, educational content. I showed people how my digital product could help them solve a specific problem. Here's an example. I posted a faceless video showing how to create an ebook in Canva using ChatGPT.
This is how to create an ebook in Canva using ChatGPT. First, go to Canva and search for an ebook template, preferably one with multiple pages. Next, go over to ChatGPT and have it write an outline for your ebook, then have it write each section, starting with the introduction. ChatGPT will write your entire ebook for you. All you have to do is add your personal touch so it won't sound like a ChatGPT written book. Once ChatGPT has written your ebook, go back to Canva and start editing your ebook template. Change the title, photos, and colors to fit the theme of your ebook. When finished, download it as a PDF. Now you have a completed ebook you can sell as a digital product. Want to learn how to use Canva and ChatGPT to create digital products? Click the link in my bio to get my Canva ChatGPT crash course now.
That's it. No face, no talking on camera, just screen recordings and text. Why did this work? Because I had already researched my niche and knew this was a major struggle for them. The truth about my first sale. Here's what no one talks about. I didn't make a sale in the first week or the second. It took about 3 weeks, but I stayed consistent. I kept posting educational content. I kept showing value. I kept pointing people to my product. And then it happened, my first sale. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Consistency beats everything. You cannot post for 2 weeks, get discouraged, and quit. If you commit, stay consistent, and actually help people, you will make your first sale. To make this even easier for you, I put together a completely free guide that breaks down the exact step-by-step strategy I used to make my first $1,000 directly from my phone as a complete beginner without showing my face. You can download it free. Just click the link in the description. And if this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.